All right, so this one, um, pretty difficult one, but what I'm asking for here was kind of combining, thinking about how you might want to do this. So, in a retrosynthesis, you start with this amine, and it looks like you've added two groups. Right? You've added this 3-carbon piece, and you've added this 2-carbon piece. Right? So if you want to add a carbon, this would be a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and this would have been a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right? So these are things you'd want to write down. And the question is, what do you want to put on? Well, actually, the first thing you should ask, what kind of groups are these two? So this is a carbon, and hydrogen. This is actually an electron donating group. That means it activates the ring. A carbonyl is an electron withdrawing group. Why? Because the carbon here that's bonded to oxygen is bonded directly to the ring. So the question then would be, if you were thinking, what group do I want to put on first? Would I want to put an electron withdrawing group or electron donating group? So we have a donator and a withdrawer, and we want to put the donator on first, because the moment we put the withdrawing group on, we've made the ring less reactive, right? We're doing the same reaction here, electrophilic aromatic substitution. So we want to put this on first and this on last. So you could do this, since we're putting it on last, right? One step back would be, this here with this on there, and then back there. So what do we need to do to add the Friedel-Crafts one? We would need this, two things. And for this one, we would need to add that piece. But the order you want to do them in is dictated based on, are they donating or withdrawing groups? You always want to put the withdrawing groups on last. Because when you put withdrawing groups on, you've made the ring less reactive, right? So you always want to do those last.